Don't know how to start digitizing your wardrobe? With the GetWardrobe app, you can do it with any photos of your clothes. I'll show you how to add clothes using different photos of the same item. To add items, tap the plus icon and choose Clothes. From there, select Gallery to add photos. As the GetWardrobe AI processes the photos, you can see that the backgrounds have been removed flawlessly from two images, one with pants on a hanger and another with pants on a bed. Now, here's a cool trick. I'll show you how to get a picture of pants from the first photo using an advanced image editor. First, tap the three-dot icon, select Edit Details from the pop-up menu. Then, tap the pencil icon to open the photo editor. Tap the button Remove Background, and choose the second neural network called 2+ Items. The AI automatically separates my t-shirt and pants. All that's left is to adjust the size of the pants image, and you're done. And now I can create outfits with new pants. Personally, I think the photo of the pants on me looks best in outfits. Check out the GetWardrobe app now. Start building your dream wardrobe today.